Okay. After removing the wing nuts and the screws, you'll gently remove the back tail light assembly. To remove each light, turn counterclockwise about 1/4 turn, and you can check the bulbs to see if the filaments are broken. The reverse light was fine, but the turn signal light was darkened, so we knew it had to be replaced. It helps when removing the bulb to have someone hold the clips outward as someone else wiggles the bulb gently back and forth. When we got to the auto parts store, we found that it was part number 4157, a 2-pack for just $6. We brought those home, took them out of the package, and instead of using gloves, we just washed our hands very well before touching the bulb itself. Keeps the oil off of the bulb. We inserted the lights, and you can hear them click into place. And then we inserted those light assemblies into the brake tail light assembly. Turn them 1/4 turn. We checked to make sure that it worked, and then placed the assembly back onto the car. We reversed the procedure and put the wing nuts back on. Then we put our screws back in, and then we put our extra light bulb in the glove box.